Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix result code missing data error on Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code in Google Chrome browser while browsing, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose Task Manager. And under process, look for the Chrome. If you found it in process mode, then select it and choose end task. Completely close your Google Chrome browser. Select it and choose end task from the top menu bar. Close the windows and check whether you are still facing such type of error code in Google Chrome browser. Go to the next fixes, open your Google Chrome browser. Here from the top right corner, click on three vertical dot and choose settings. First choose help and click over the cursor on about Google Chrome and let the Google Chrome updating. So update your Google Chrome browser. Once updating process completed, check whether you are still receiving Chrome error or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on Google Chrome browser and choose properties. Here go to compatibility and first run compatibility troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Also make the check against option, run this program in compatibility mode for, and also run the program as an administrator mode. So run Google Chrome browser as an administrator mode and click on apply and OK to save the changes. And after that, check whether Google Chrome error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Google Chrome browser and your Chrome browser is nearly to update. Click on relaunch and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Chrome is up to date message you will receive. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner again and here choose settings. Here from the left side, click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here under privacy and security, click on delete browsing data and go to advanced tab. Time range should be all time and make the check against all these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data. So clear your browser caches, cached images and files also, and click on delete data. After clearing browsing caches, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and go to the extension and click on manage extension. And if you have already added any extension to your Chrome browser, disable it temporarily. Temporarily disable all your extension added to your Chrome browser. And check whether your Google Chrome browser error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the Google Chrome browser, right click on a start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of network and internet related issue. So run network and internet troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps. From the right side, choose installed apps and here look for Chrome. Type Chrome in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Chrome, Google Chrome browser and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of Google Chrome browser there may be a possibility of app related error. So uninstall Google Chrome browser and reinstall a fresh version of Google Chrome browser.